I don't enjoy so much abuses and abusive content, below the waist humor. No racial slurs, no sexist comments, no slapstick is what I don't like.
Yeah.
So that is that. These are a few things we have in mind when we are making content.
Watch Women Up every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
So she has like this whole like I'm a cool girl attitude, okay?
I'm a cool girl.
But she's not cool.
I'm cool.
So basically, we were in like the 9th, 10th grade. She was in the 10th, I was in the 9th, and we had like this impromptu trip of going to London.
We have the worst luck with travel plans, like the worst luck. Every travel situation that we've been in together has always gotten messed up.
Watch No More Secrets every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
So I have this dress that's very special. A dress that fits me really well, you know. It looks nice on me, it's warm. I can't stop like touching myself when I'm wearing velvet, so I absolutely love that. So, and yeah, I have a lot of memories with this dress. I really love it. It's the most comfortable dress.
Watch What's in My Wardrobe every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
वक्त ने मेरे साथ एक ऐसा मजाक किया है। मैं ज़ैन की दुल्हन बनी थी, अब एक अजनबी शख्स की निकाह में हूँ। मेरे भाई ने मुझे बहुत लाड प्यार से पाला। वो मुझे तकलीफ में नहीं देख सकते और मुझे तकलीफ देने वाले को जिंदा भी नहीं छोड़ सकता।
शादी कोई गुड्डे गुड्डी का खेल है, जब चाहे राजी हो गए और जब चाहे इनकार कर दिया।
तुम उनके किए की सजा मुझे क्यों दे रहे हो?
Watch Ajnabi Humsafar starting from 4th July, Sunday to Tuesday, 7:45 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
अगर कोई माइका लाल यहाँ है तो इसे हाथ लगा कर दिखाएं। बहुत मस्ती है तुझमें। कौन है बे तू? आगे बढ़े तो अगली गोली खोपड़ी पे मारूंगा। नमस्कार।
Watch
Bhai the Lion, 20th December, Sunday, 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
Love
बाबू I love you.
is a two-way street.
You know I love you.
No, Rajat, I don't.
I'm sorry. You're okay?
Always under construction.
अच्छा पापा, I'm sorry.
कहाँ थे हम?
Sorry for the interruption. Watch Pyar Ka Panchnama, 8th December, Tuesday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
मुझे तो ये काफी बार बोला गया है कि तुम हीरोइन तो नहीं बनो। मैं अमीर घर से तो नहीं आती, मेरी फैमिली मिडिल क्लास है, लोअर मिडिल क्लास थी उस समय। इनफैक्ट we were struggling. There were days when we did not have food, we did not know what to eat the next day. मुझे लगा था मेरा करियर खत्म, क्योंकि I was dropped out of films.
Watch Untold Story every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
So lunch is usually some rice and either I'll have grilled fish or I'll have a salad and I'll have soup with it. You know, people have this misconception that it makes you put on weight, but if you have it at the right time of the day, it can be pretty amazing.
Parathas with dahi. Lunch I'll have parathas with paneer makhni, dal makhni, bhindi, Gujarati dal, methi dal and palak paneer. I recently turned veg. Today I had fish though.
My favorite healthy munchies is keto cupcake. Is it healthy?
Watch What I Eat in a Day every Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
इस ज़मीं और इस आसमां से जहाँ ना वक्त ना तुम्हारे मेरे सिवा कोई।
True love happens once in a lifetime.
एक जज्बा कि तुम मुझ में और मैं तुम में।
And it takes a lifetime to understand. Watch Mausam, 4th February, Thursday 8:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
क्या वाकई बच्चा औरत के बगैर नहीं पल सकता? क्या वाकई बच्चा औरत के बगैर नहीं पल सकता?
I saw a lot of rejection initially. Like people would comment that, no, we want someone who is more muscular, and why don't you try for this like a half a scene part or just a one scene character they would ask me to do.
Watch Untold Story every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
पहले तो एक रूम में एक ऑडिशन लेते थे, बाद में 50 लोगों का साथ में ऑडिशन हुआ. So I went again. I was like, listen, I can't give an audition like this. And he's like, what do you think you're Shah Rukh Khan?
Watch Untold Story every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
First of all, I never thought that I could look so hot. So when Ram Gopal Verma asked me to play this, to do this role, I said, I don't think I can look hot. So he said, you know what, you keep quiet. I'm the director. Let me decide. So I said, okay, fine. And then just before, just once it was done, he actually called me home and he showed it to me in his theatre, in his home theatre. And I was shocked. I was blown. I said, this is me. I can look like that.
Watch Untold Story every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I remember there's this Maha episode on television, the show that I was shooting for. Holi festival was there, and we wanted to, give 1 hour footage. And I just could not attend the workshop, that a particular session. So I missed out on film. When my name was called, I went on the stage, and they were like, "That's the way, ma'am, for exit." And I just felt so awful.
Watch Untold Story every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
There is a lip balm, which is a coconut flavored lip balm, because I like that.
I carry a perfume in my bag. This is one of my most favorite perfumes.
Watch What's in My Bag every Monday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
So my hair is so straight. It's such a big problem because it's just like straight. So what I do is I have a bath, a hair bath. After that, I take this volume mousse. I put it on my hair and I just dry it. Then I get this sort of like a not so smooth hair sort of vibe.
And I have another favorite eyeshadow of mine. So whenever I want to like glam up, I go for like a shimmer. It does look very scary, but when you apply it on your skin, it's more like a darker nudie kind of a shimmer.
Watch What's in My Makeup Bag every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE.
मैं मंगू खरबूजे बेचेगा न, तो तू क्या करेगा?
अरे छोड़ ना, हमें क्या लेना देना?
नहीं होती नौकरी यार मुझसे छोटी मोटी. अब्बा पैसे देता नहीं है कारोबार के लिए.
हाँ तो एक ही मोहल्ले में रहते थे ना, इसलिए तेरे बारे में पता है. मैं चांद से थोड़ी ना आई हूँ.
अल्लाह ने चाहा तो जिस तरह उसे काम पर छोड़ने के लिए जाता है, इसी तरह एक दिन उसे डोली में बिठाकर छोड़ने भी तू नहीं जाता.
Watch Ishq Tera starting from 4th July, Sunday to Thursday, 7 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.
I remember one casting director, she ripped me apart. She told me, why are you even here? Go back to your country. We already have people like you. Go back. And I'm just like...
Watch The Untold Story every Thursday at 6:30 p.m. UAE on B4U Plus. Full on entertainment.